Oh, this seat has literally saved my butt. I probably shouldn't be putting my face on it though. Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a while that I've done a Mate X video. And today's video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about some of the accessories that I've gotten for my Mate X. Again, I'm not like a super enthusiast on cycling. I'm more of a tech kind of enthusiast. I just love everything that's tech. But if you guys know any other accessories that might help me or might be something that can help and benefit everybody that has one of these bikes, let us all know in the comments below. I know for sure we're all gonna want to know all these cool accessories that might be out there that we don't know about, especially me. I mean, there's a lot of things out there. I just check on Amazon honestly, and I just put bike accessories. So these are some of the things that I first got. My biggest and most favorite thing that I added to the bike was this new seat. It is a gelled seat. I went to my local bike shop and they have like memory foam ones, and then they have these gel ones. I was gonna get a memory foam one, but the guy right there told me that the gel is just gonna last that much longer. He could say 5 to 10 years, whereas if we were to get a memory foam one, those will run out fairly quickly, and then we'd have to just spend a lot more money. So I quickly tried it, and it is my favorite accessory yet because it makes me want to ride the bike that much more often. The original seat that comes with the Mate X, it's not for longer trips. Let's just be real. It's really not for longer trips. It's cool because it has a little opening. You can put your phone there. That's what they advertise it for. But at the end of the day, I never did plug in my phone there or left my phone there, and I just wanted to have a more comfortable seat for me to just ride that much longer anywhere I go. So definitely recommend a seat, and I definitely recommend you guys checking them out on Amazon. This one I probably spent too much money on it just because it was at a bike shop, and on Amazon it's just much cheaper like everything else is, right? So the next accessory that I want to show you guys is this backlight. The backlight and the Frontlight, actually, they both came in the same package. It's really cool because they're rechargeable, and it has different modes. So you can each button that you click either go slower, faster, brighter. Obviously at night you just want to put it as bright as possible. Actually, even in the daytime you want to put it as bright as possible. And then if you hold it, it'll turn off. Same thing with the one in the front. Click it once, it just basically goes from the lightest to the brightest, and then it has one where it just flickers, which to me I think is really good to catch people's attention. And then one more time and it's pretty much off. The thing that I like about them is that they're rechargeable. I don't have to remove any batteries. They've lasted a long time. So far I haven't had to plug them in since the first time I bought them, but these are the places where I put them. I didn't see anywhere else that I can put the Mate bikes in, and as you can tell, they're dirty as heck because I've been putting this bike through its course, or not really me, but my friends, because I have to film while they ride the bike. I can't really do both. So I put one right here where the shock is. So far it hasn't affected me in any way. And then the front, I put my handlebars a little bit higher, just a tiny bit because they're already tall. And then I just wrap around the light right there, and even with this in the way, it still gives out a good amount of light at night. The next accessory that I want to tell you guys is the phone holder. Honestly, this was so cheap on Amazon, and it does hold up very, very well. Sorry, it's a little bit windy. Hopefully the audio is not getting messed up, but it does hold up very, very well. I mean, I've ridden it with going to some crazy bumps in the streets, and it just holds my phone really well on there. The cool thing about it too, since I have an iPhone, and in order for you to unlock your phone with the iPhone 10 and up is through facial recognition, and if you're blocking that, you're gonna have to do the whole code thing all the time. The cool thing about this one that I didn't know before I bought it, so it's a good thing that it all worked out. Once you put in the phone, in the top you'll see there's an opening that cuts perfectly where the cameras are. So I've ridden the bike so many times where I turn on the screen and it recognizes my face, and I don't have to move anything around or punch in a code. So the convenience of that has been super cool, and obviously for GPS purposes and all that stuff. So it's really cool. I really like it. No regrets on this one, and it's super cheap. Again, everything that I'm telling you guys, it's all gonna be on Amazon. I'll leave the links below and you guys can check them out. Actually, there's one more thing that I forgot to mention. I'll be right back. All right. And last but not least, I did buy this cool little pouch right here that you can put behind where the pole is for the seat. I bought it because I wanted to have an area where I can put my water bottle. And this one, the convenience of it, you're able to put your water bottle in there, but also it has a cool little pocket that you can put some cool things in there. I mean, things that you need. I personally put some of the tools for the bike just in case. My wallet I'll put in there, maybe some snacks, and I don't know, whatever else you want to put in there. I would honestly love to get some recommendations from you guys, no matter what it is for. I just want to be able to customize it as much as possible. I'm gonna put some stickers on here later on, but for now, this is all I've gotten, and it's probably the only thing that I've needed so far that's convenient for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I do wanna say thank you to everybody that has been watching, and I also want to say that I'm so happy that a lot of you guys are getting your Mate X bikes. I can honestly speak for everybody that has the Mate X. I'm sure that it's worth the wait. There's a lot of people that are still waiting very long, and the Mate company is really close to having mostly all of them shipped out already, which is really cool. And I've also had some people asking where I bought the bike, and then they find out, you know, the delay of the bike and this and that. Listen, I'm not endorsed by Mate. I don't get paid by Mate. All I know is that I love this bike and I recommend it to everybody, especially for the price right now. A lot of people are saying that they don't want to buy it because they don't want to wait that long, but if you really think about it, if you really want it and you're gonna wait until they're shipping the bikes within a couple of days, the price is gonna be so much higher that you're gonna lose out on the really good price. You might as well just order it now and then get your bike whenever you're gonna get it, but knowing that you got it at a really good price, just like a lot of us did when we first backed it. Other than that, guys, I just wanna say, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching, thank you for all the likes, and to all my current subscribers,
you're loyal, I appreciate that.
And to all my new subscribers, thank you and welcome.